Hey y'all, hold on a minute. Let me put this stuff down. Let me set down. Look, you can use it for blush, you can use it for shadow, you could do it, put your back into it in whichever way you so choose to. Let me show you what they look like.
This is not what this video is about though, y'all.
Can y'all see that? It's supposed to be like a little highlight. I'm trying this what the makeup folk do. Hold on. Come on, you want my face so bad. There it is. Bam. That's bronze cherry. Ooh, I like that bronze cherry. What? Y'all like it? Y'all get the... Oh, it's this one subtle. Okay. You see the 3 colors? You can't even hardly see that one. I like that though. It'll give like a little, that one in the middle is popping. Ooh, it's popping. It's popping. This color is popping. This one in the middle is popping. Hey, it's popping. This bronze cherry popping. This bronze cherry popping. She popping. She popping. Anyways, y'all, this ain't even about that. This is about another wig I found on Amazon, y'all. Peruvian water wave. This it right here. This is it. This is the outre, formerly known as outre. 5x5 lace closure wig. Cuban hair blend, Peruvian water, 24 inches. And I got chocolate swirl. Part your way, left, right, or center. Now let's be clear. You can do it, but can you put your back into it? Can you be way over here? No. Can you be way over here? No. You gotta stay right off up in this little space right here, okay? You can move to the side, just not with pride. We already said hand-tied lace, naturally pre-plucked hairline with baby hair, pre-attached elastic band for a flat fit. Now, I don't know if this elastic band, usually their elastic bands are literally just a strip of elastic. It's not even strong like that, y'all. It ain't like that, honey. Ooh, this color. Now, you already know how they, come on. You already know how they coming at it. It's already pre-plucked, y'all. It's already looking pluck-tabulous. Fabulous. Ooh, look at that. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. Look at the baby hair. Honey, I'm not even about to use that super duper like that. You think I am? I'm not. I'm gonna tint this lace too a little bit. I think I'm gonna just spray it. You see what I'm saying with this? This ain't about to secure. Now, it'll make it so it won't slide off your head, maybe. And that's a maybe, baby. But it ain't about to hold it down while you shout. It is not about to hold it together while you shout or fight. Now, I don't suggest you fight because that's ugly. Now, this elastic is not going to hold it down, especially if you're going to a Kojic church tonight. Utilize your wig grip cap, okay, like I do in every video. 3 combs. I like this cap, though. It looks very breathable. The curls are very, very pretty. It's giving water. Wave. Oh, y'all, this about to be cute, I feel like. How y'all feel about it? Do you have the confidence that I do? I'm about to do my face real quick, y'all. And then hey, look at the dimension. You understand? It's not flat. This is not a flat color. Y'all understand what I'm saying when I say dimension? Do you understand? If you don't understand, just let me know and I'll explain it. Honey, I'm about to put this on. Don't go nowhere, because sometimes y'all be, when I sit here and talk to you, y'all be kikiing with me. And then when I start to put this on, sometimes some of y'all now get gone, because analytics will tell on y'all. You know that, don't you? And I want you to hit that subscribe too, so you can join the family, join the fun, because analytics will tell if you don't do that. And hit the bell for notifications. You can even do it even if you're watching it on your TV. Hit the subscribe, and it's up underneath it, it'll be like, you want to notificate, as my husband say. Do that so you can notificate. Let's see what we could do with this wig. Hold a minute.